Have you ever experienced an air conditioner failure on the hottest day of summer? The culprit is likely the compressor, the heart of your cooling system. When it malfunctions, operation ceases entirely. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we are analyzing the Amana Goodman Compressor to identify common failure causes and outline diagnostic steps to prevent expensive repairs. As the central component of an air conditioning system, a compressor failure immediately impacts cooling performance. Understanding the root causes of failure and identifying early warning signs is essential for preventing costly repairs. In this video, we focus on Amana Goodman compressors, specifically this rotary model designed for residential applications. Operating on 208 to 230 volt single-phase power and utilizing R410A refrigerant, this unit relies on optimal airflow, consistent electrical supply, and correct refrigerant levels for reliable operation. A primary cause of failure is overheating, frequently resulting from restricted airflow across the outdoor condenser coil. Factors such as dirty coils, obstructed vents, or a faulty condenser fan can lead to excessive heat buildup, which can damage internal motor windings and shorten the unit's lifespan. Electrical issues are also prevalent. Low voltage, loose connections, or a failing run capacitor can prevent startup or trigger shutdowns. Symptoms include breaker trips, audible humming, or delayed startup. Verifying voltage and inspecting components is crucial for diagnosis. Refrigerant imbalances impose significant stress. Low levels induce overheating, while overcharging spikes pressure, forcing the compressor to overwork. Maintaining the correct R410A charge is vital. Furthermore, mechanical wear resulting from contamination, poor lubrication, or continuous stress can degrade internal components, signaled by unusual noises, vibrations, and diminished cooling capacity. For diagnosis, prioritize safety. Disconnect power before inspecting wiring connections, checking the capacitor condition, and observing startup behavior. Measure voltage and amperage at the terminals to confirm power delivery. Addressing airflow restrictions, electrical anomalies, and refrigerant imbalances early will extend equipment life and maintain system efficiency. If your AC is malfunctioning, secure genuine Amana Goodman compressors and other HVAC parts from PartsHnC.com today. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for further HVAC insights and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching.